Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning for October 21st through the 27th in my Encourager Happy Planner, and I'm going to be using the two Happy Hostess sticker books, the classic and the mini size. So I went ahead and redated this planner because it is a 2020 planner. I used these little flags behind my actual date stickers that I got out of this pink Happy Memory Keeping sticker book. So I just used the flags to kind of cover up some of the whiteout, or not show all of the whiteout, because the numbers on these pages are actually kind of big. So I didn't want to see all of the whiteout. Of course, then I also used the flags to pull in all the different colors from this Happy Hostess line. I got my wax paper out and I'm just going to start pulling some stickers. I know that I want to use the flowers that come in the Happy Hostess sticker book. So I think I'm going to use these on this page. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull a couple out. And if you haven't watched any of my other videos, I have a lot of people ask. I use the wax paper to kind of take some of the stickiness off of the sticker. It works really well on your clear stickers, so that if you do make a mistake, you lay it down crooked, the wax paper takes off some of that stickiness so that they're easy to reposition. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward here in just a second and just kind of speed up the process. But what I'm going to do is flip through this sticker book and just try to find some stickers that will coordinate and go cute for my social media planning, and then they'll go also with these flowers. So let's just speed this up just a tiny bit. I'm just grabbing a bunch of stickers that I think I want to use. So I call my wax paper my ideas page. So what I do is when I start a spread, I will flip through the sticker books that I've chosen and just pick out several stickers. So I may or may not use all the stickers that are on the wax paper. It just depends on, as I'm decorating, how it goes. So these little checkbox stickers here I thought would work out really well, but I'm going to have to cover up a little bit because this one says meal plan. So I grabbed just a little banner to go over it, and then I was going to try to put the blue over this dinner party prep, but I think I'll go to a different plan here in a little bit. Now these boxes are really cute too, so I'm thinking that I should be able to incorporate them into the spread. So I'm just kind of trying to grab all the different colors that are in the sticker book. I'm not going to go with any one or two colors. I kind of want everything. So I'm just grabbing everything I can find. The little pink banner that I just found can cover up shopping on that yellow sticker. So I think I've pretty much found everything to get a good start here. So I'm just going to start laying down some stickers now. Okay, so I think I'm going to start probably on Thursday with this meal plan checklist. Just got to figure out exactly where I want to put it. So I'm going to put it down here, but of course I lay it down crooked, and I can see those pink lines behind it. So I want to straighten it up, and then I'm going to white out these two lines. I just don't like seeing dark lines through my white stickers. So we'll get that lined up, and then I've got to figure out how I'm going to cover up the meal plan part. So at first I thought that I would do this. Then I said, no, let's try the blue, see what the blue looks like. And I'm not too crazy about the blue. So then I thought about using one of the other stickers that I pulled out, this one that says all the things. So I'm going to pull that blue off because I'm not crazy about it, and this looks much better to me if I can just get this sticker straight. So okay, so that is my starting point. And now I'm just trying to figure out, I think I'll just lay a flower down. When in doubt, just put a flower down and start there. A flower or a quote. I don't even know why I started with that Thursday box, but generally I do start with a quote or a flower. So I'm just taking my jelly roll pen here and lightly whiting out these dark pink lines that would be behind my sticker. The jelly roll will not completely white out a line like your actual whiteout strips will, but it just kind of takes away from the boldness, and that way you can't really see it behind your clear stickers. So I'm just going to try to get it as close as possible here, and then I will kind of use my tweezers to make sure that I've got it all whited out pretty decent. So I think I've pretty much got it except this little green leaf here. I just need a little bit more off. And then I think that'll do it for this flower. Okay, so now let's move on to something else. I was thinking about laying those stripes down, but I'm not quite sure what I want to do with them. So I'm just going to come in with this Today box. And of course it's crooked, so I gotta straighten it up. Alright, now on to the next page. I'm still not totally confident about this layout and how to decorate it, so I'm just kind of playing it as I go. I'm taking this pink banner to cover up that blue box, and then I'm just going to take my white jelly roll and write to do in here. So I think that turned out really cute. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use this blue one up here, and I've got to find something to cover it up. So I'm going to look through my book here. Because it says dinner party prep, it's a little bit too wide to cover it with one of the banners. So I'm just going to see what I've got here. These little header stickers are really cute, but of course they are for more geared towards dinner parties and things, so there's not a whole lot of headers in this book that I can actually use. So let's see if I can find anything to cover up dinner party prep. And then I remembered that I had these cute little stripes here. So I'm thinking I'm going to use these and then go over top with that blue banner. I think that'll be cute. So I'm going to grab my little green slice tool here and just trim this little washi strip down. Okay, that's cute. Now I'm going to put this blue banner over top, and I'm just going to go in with my jelly roll and put to do on this one as well. I always forget that I have this jelly roll that I can write on these dark colored stickers. So for some reason today I remembered, and I think it turned out really cute. So now let's just see what else I can find. Gonna start here in this mini book. I thought about using some of these banners or these little hexagons. I don't even know if these are hexagons, but I believe these will be cuter, and they still have the same flowers, so we're in the same color scheme and look with all of these flowers. Then I thought it would be cute to go in with some vertical boxes. So I feel like I'm kind of all over the place with these stickers. I guess because it's the Happy Hostess line, and I'm merging Happy Hostess and Encourager together. So I did struggle a little bit with this this spread and this layout, but I think it comes together pretty good. So I'm just laying these two here. I got to straighten this up. Come on, let's get it right, Casey. There we go. Okay. Now, let's see. Trying to decide where to put these flowers, and I think I'm just going to cover up number 4 on my random act of kindness, or random acts of kindness. So I do need to white out some things here with my jelly roll. I always like to use my little tweezers there to weight my sticker down while I use my jelly roll. And speaking of tweezers, I always forget to tell you guys that I have sent some Amazon affiliate links down in the description of a lot of the things that I use that people have asked me about. So if there is something that you see me using in one of my videos and you want to know where I got it from or what kind it is, look in the description. See if I've got a link listed down there, and if I don't, then leave me a comment and let me know what it is that you are curious about, what item I'm using, and I'll try to link it for you down below. So I always forget to tell you guys that, but those links are in my description. Okay, so I've got everything whited out here. Now I'm just going to get this flower down, and the last couple weeks I have covered up this random act of kindness over on the bottom left, but I thought it would be cute to leave it open this time because of my journaling giveaway. I'm kind of in that random act of kindness mood, so I kind of want to push myself every day to do something extra kind for someone. So you just saw me lay down one of these little oddly shaped circles. I don't know what shape they're called. The reason that I'm moving them is because there's green right here in this Today box under my finger, and the one that I originally had there was green. So I didn't want two greens on top of one another, so I just switched them around. Now I'm just thinking that I'm going to add this cute little flower to the side of this Today box and see what else I can use to kind of finish up this spread. One thing that I do totally forget to do in this video is I forget to decorate my half sheet. So I'm going to do that later off camera before next week. So that is one thing that I'm still using is my half sheet with I use the morning, afternoon, and evening sheets in the Encourager line, and I put my 3 videos on those with the steps that I need to complete to actually get those videos up on YouTube. So that's something that I forgot. But hopefully you guys are enjoying my videos. I have reached 1,000 subscribers, and it's incredible. I am in awe of all of you guys. I truly appreciate you watching my videos and giving me thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, I hope you will consider. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell so you don't miss any notifications. And I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.